Today we're going to be doing your rug. Now, we're not going to be using pump.fun because this is oversaturated. So what you want to do is go to this website. I've been using this website for the last 4 weeks. It's been working good for me. So I recommend that you use this because it's got the lowest fees. But when you're on this website, you want to go to create your token. Now, you want to create your token, so just give me like 2 minutes. Let me think of a token idea. Retta's wife. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. Now this is going to be a full live video, so you can watch all of this to the end. And you can see I'm not faking anything. This is 100% legit, 100% real. So we're just gonna copy this, put it here. Okay, nice. So come here and just like that. Okay, nice. And now for the supply, you see the decibels is 9. You want to do the same, so 1. So when you have the 1 there, you want to put 9 more decibels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So it's gonna be 1 billion. I'm gonna come down here, select your description. We're just gonna make some random description up, or we can copy their description. Okay, so nice, we have the description now. You wanna select this? Well, it's optional, but just for me, I'm going to select it. This isn't actually a real website. I'm just putting some random shit just so it makes my coin more trustable overall, so I get more investors. Yeah, and for the social tags, I'm just going to... This is, once again, this is optional, but I'm gonna add this so we get more investors. Because if they see this, then it just makes it more trustable. So I'm going to copy their website, and I'm gonna copy their Twitter also. Okay, now we come over to the investors booster. Now, it's called this so the website doesn't get banned or whatever, but pretty much here is where we can remove the liquidity of the coin. Now, because we're making the coin, we're going to be owning most of the coin, you know, even if we put $100 into the coin or $50, we're still going to be owning most of it because we are making the coin. Now, you gotta select these so you can remove the liquidity. Now, with this, you can also revoke min and revoke update and revoke freeze, which pretty much, you know, freezes their money so they can't take it back out. You know, without these two selected, it'll only cost 0.3, which is the cheapest coin launcher on the market, but because we're selecting these, we're gonna select 0.5. Now, guys, we're gonna make our money back straight away, so, you know, I'm just gonna select these. Okay, now connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet's connected. Okay, nice, you're gonna get this. Phantom urges users to refrain from engaging in rug pulls like that's supposed to stop me. Just click confirm, and your wallet's gonna be connected. You can log out at any time. There we go. Keep in mind, we've got $700 in our wallet now, and let's see how much we make afterwards. But yeah, you wanna click launch token here. There you go, click confirm. Now we just wanna wait for the website to load. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, perfect. Transaction sent. Now this is your transaction ID. You can copy and paste this if you want. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, your Solana open space search the credits. Okay, so as you want to go into your wallet, scroll down, you can see that your token's here, and you're currently holding 1 billion of it. Okay, so now we gotta create the liquidity pool. So now you want to click on liquidity pool here. You know, double tap onto liquidity here. Click create. You want to click standard AMM. Click create. There we go. Okay, so now that you're on Ream, click into your profile. Make sure you're logged in. You want to come down here, click onto your token, click on the 3 dots, click on to view on Solana, V network. If it doesn't, then you want to click onto this token address. You want to click copy. When you're ready, you want to come here, select this, make sure it's selected as Sol, and then for your top one, you want to come here. And you want to get your token address, as I just showed you, and you want to put it right here. And then you want to put your name, so mine was Burnett's wife, whatever. There we go. Add user token, and then you just want to select that. There you go. Okay, so now here you gotta listen carefully. So here's where you decide how much of the liquidity you want to own. The current liquidity we can make is 1 billion, but we want to own quite a lot of that. So we're gonna own 100 million of it, and we're gonna send the rest, the 900 million, to the liquidity pool. So you wanna click 900 million, just like this. There you go. And then this will leave us with 10% of the coin. So, you know, we can dump on them. Very good with that. And then for your soul, here we're just gonna put, I mean, the more you put, the more you can dump, but for this example, I'm just going to put 4. So I have 0.5 left. And if you're using less, like 1 sol or 2 sol, then I recommend putting your fee high to like 4%. But because we're using 4 sol, we're gonna put our percentage fee to. So now we want to initialize the liquidity pool. Now as soon as you click this, that means people are ready to buy in. Okay, so click initialize liquidity pool. Okay, nice. So your pool is created successfully. You want to click on got it, and then you want to go over to portfolio standard. Now you just want to wait until your pool has arrived. It's going to take a couple minutes, but as you can see here, we're holding 100 million, and do you want to check in the wallet? There we go, we're holding 100 million. All our money is in the Binary right now. Okay, nice. So you want to go over to with your address, you want to go to Dexcuner or any platform. You want to click onto some random token, copy the link out. Okay, there we go. Now we just gotta wait until your token appears. Now this shouldn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and then your token should appear on the market. Okay, as you can see, our token is on the market, Banana's wife. Now if you want to scroll up, we added the liquidity here, 900. Now we are getting a few buyers. This is, most of them are snipers, some of them are real, but they bought and they sold. Okay, now we're just going to wait and see how it performs. Give it between 5 to 10 minutes before it actually does hit the market, because these are just snipers. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it starts picking up motion. It should only take about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's 4 minutes old. As soon as it gets to about 5 minutes old, as soon as it gets 5 minutes old, you are going to see a lot of buyers. Okay, we have had a big buyer here. We got $7 and $98. It's nearly about 5 minutes old. So now we just want to wait. As I said, this is all live. I really don't want to fake any of this. But yeah, while we wait for the buyers to come in, let's just look at some stuff right here. So as you can see, the liquidity, pretty much every single investor, what you get here, because we made the liquidity, we own 900 fucking million% of it. So every single investor or buyer, what we get, we own their money pretty much. So as soon as we come over to Radium, it hadn't loaded yet, but I'm going to show you. We get to take out all their money, so we get to keep all of this. So basically it's 5 minutes old now, so we should start getting and seeing the buyers. I'll get back to you in about 10-20 minutes to see how it's doing. Okay, so the coin is 7 minutes old, started to pick up. So we got another $6 buy, $9 buy, $1 buy, $6 buy. Okay, so they're not holding in a lot of money, but it's doing okay. Okay guys, so it's been nearly 10 minutes now. We have 17 buys and 6 sales. It's doing pretty good. This is the only realistic channel now. All these other channels, they say they make a coin, then instantly get, 10 sol or 5 sol, it's all bullshit. This is realistic here. When you make your coin, you're only gonna make like, $200, $400, $500. Sometimes if it's a real good narrative, then yeah, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go to $10 million market cap. It is possible. The more coins you make, the more % chance you have. Like Ronald said, he made 150 coins before he made his first coin, what went to $10 million market cap. Now, that's absolutely insane to her. Anything's possible in this world. But yeah, so we're just gonna leave it for some more minutes. Bro, someone just bought 180 bucks. What the fuck? Bro, I don't fucking know this guy. Okay. We're gonna rug pull it. Yo, some more people actually buying. 200, 180, 21. Anyone else more? Anyone else gonna buy? I don't think so, guys. Okay, I'm going to drain the liquidity, so you want to refresh to see our profits. We can take out, look, I'm here, 100. There we go, we can take out 6.7 sol. Okay, so I think I'm going to rug pull it. Let me just refresh, make sure there's no more buyers, because I want to get the most profit we can here. Okay, I feel like these bars are gonna take out. One of them already actually did take out here. Let's give it like 5 more seconds. And then I'm going to rug it. Okay, I think I'm gonna rug it. So, you wanna come here? Let's just refresh one more time. Make sure everything's okay. 6.7 sol. You wanna click remove liquidity. Now just wait. Click here. Okay, 6.7 sol, oh no, blah, blah, blah. Confirm. Remove liquidity. Now, this is probably gonna go to nothing. Okay, now this is gonna go to nothing. Let's see. It's gonna say remove liquidity. Because we added then 900 here, now it's gonna say remove 900. Okay, there we go. Remove 500 minutes. Okay, nice. Now, if we come here, see our profits. Nice. We are on $1,000. So from 700 to 1,000, that's, you know, it's quite a decent amount of money. You know, that was easy. And if you want to sell the rest of this, just go into the Solana incinerator and then you can sell like that. But yeah, we just fucking stole. See all this money here, 180, 10, 65, 95, 35, 28, 14, 2, 7. Even these 7, the 6, you know, they all add up. We just stole all this, guys. We just stole all this. Someone else actually bought $21 just before I rug pulled that, so yeah, it's pretty good. That was a decent rug pull. Now you can see it's saying this token is misleadable, whatever. We're on $1,000 now. If you think any of this is fake, you can go to the link here. You know, you can go check it all out for yourself. But yeah, go do your own rug pulls. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support and stuff. This video, you know, it's not gonna be some flashy, crazy edits. It's just gonna be a nice, chill video. You know, we're just doing a little rug pull. But yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. You know, everyone go like, everyone go subscribe, and much love.